Hello students, very important concept for class 9 and 10, both for your board exam and class exam. Devashish again from Debs Learning Hub, my YouTube channel Debs Learning Hub and my Facebook page too, Debs Learning Hub. Today, look carefully at this circle. O is the center of the circle. AB is the line what has touched this circle at point P, and OP is the radius. So what is your observation? My question is, why this line AB has touched the circle only at one point, that is point P, and why the angle between this radius OP and this tangent AB, that is 90 degree. So is it just you need to remember this geometry rule that it is 90 degree, or there is a real reason behind it? That is what we are going to discover today. Very important theorem for geometry tangent related questions. So now let's understand first why tangent touches the circle just at one point. Look into this picture where this circle, where center is O, there are three lines AB outside the circle, CD and PQ. So what is your observation? I understand your immediate observation is AB is outside the circle, line CD is inside the circle, and line PQ that is touching the circle. So that is what you can see. But what is your inner observation? Observation is when any line, जो लाइन अभी सर्कल का बाहर है, उसको ग्रेजुअली आप सेंटर का तरफ लेके जा रहे हो, तो at the limiting point where it will touch the circle, that is called point of tangency, and that line now becomes the tangent of the circle. So line AB, gradually you are moving towards center O, and when it is touching the circle, it is touching just at one point, and that point is T here, and this is called point of tangency. जहाँ पे टच कर रहे हैं इसको बोलता है point of tangency. और जब ये circumference, जो सर्कल का circumference जो है उससे वो अंदर में चला जाता है, मतलब then it will intersect the circle, and that is called secant or chord. So here CD is the chord and PQ, line PQ is the tangent where this tangent has touches the circle at point T, and OT is the radius. ठीक है? तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट जो है, क्यों टेंजेंट सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट में टच करते हैं? So when the tangent will further move towards the center of the circle, then it will intersect the circle at 2 points. So that is the limiting point, that is the boundary. Tangent is the boundary of the circle. Next point is why this radius, ये जो radius OP और ये जो tangent line AB, ये दोनों का बीच में जो एंगल है, why this is 90 degree, why this angle OPD, this OPD, why this angle is 90 degree. So now look into this diagram carefully. O is the center of the circle where OS and OP, these are radius, right? Both the cases you can see the radius, that is 60.5. OP equals to 60.5, OS equals to 60.5. I am not giving any unit, 60.5, same unit everywhere. So OP equals to OS equals to radius R, that is equals to 60.5, that you can see from the picture. Now in the diagram, there could be two types of distance. From a point to a line, there could be two types of distance. One is any distance, you draw a line from the point on the straight line, that is one distance, and another is the perpendicular distance. Now if you see here, OR is from point to where this radius extending beyond the circle, circles का बाहर जा रहा है, ये जो O से radius है OQ जब सर्कल का बाहर जा रहा है, ये इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है ये लाइन को, टेंजेंट को, लाइन AB टेंजेंट को R, पॉइंट R. OR equals to OQ plus QR. So when OR equals to OQ plus QR, OQ equals to, what is OQ? OQ is nothing but the radius. So radius plus QR. So now OQ we can see it is here 60.5 in this diagram. It is 60.5. And OR we can see, QR we can see 16.8. So what is the total length? 77.3. There are multiple distances you can have at different angles from a point to a straight line. OR is one distance, OC is another distance, OD is another distance, but gradually when you are coming towards this point of tangency, this distance, ये जो distance है OR, ये कम होते जा रहा है. OR is 77.3. Now if you see OC here, another distance, OC equals to 68.3. This one 68.3. OD that is equals to 62.7. So gradually the distance is decreasing. Distance कम होते जा रहा है. उसका बाद जब आ रहा है तो OP is the radius. तो 60.5. This is also 60.5 OS. उसका मतलब जो रेडियस में जो जब आ रहा है ये पॉइंट ऑफ टेंजेंसी में, यहाँ पे इसका डिस्टेंस सबसे कम है 60.5. दैट इज द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस. फिर आप इस साइड में जा रहे हो, राइट? सो क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट हो रहा है. सो OE अगेंस्ट दिस डिस्टेंस इज 63.5. दैट मीन्स this radius where it is intersecting the tangent, the meeting point, not intersecting I will say because it is touching. So where the radius and tangent meets, that point of tangency, that is the shortest distance from the center to the tangent. तो सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल से पॉइंट ऑफ टेंजेंसी का डिस्टेंस सबसे कम होता है. नाउ जब आपको ये पता है जो एक पॉइंट से एक लाइन का ऊपर जितना ऐसा डिस्टेंस आप ले सकते हो, सबसे कम डिस्टेंस जो होता है वो क्या होता है? परपेंडिकुलर होता है. तो यहां पे अभी रिवर्स एनालॉजी जो है, तो यहां पे सबसे कम डिस्टेंस है OP इज द रेडियस. तो सबसे कम डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम O on to the tangent AB. If this is the shortest distance, उसका मतलब ये जो एंगल है ये एंगल 90 डिग्री, because this is the perpendicular distance. So that means OP perpendicular to AB. OP perpendicular AB. This is very, very, very important. So this is what the theorem, the tangent at any point of a circle, the tangent at any point of a circle, point P here, and the radius passing through that point, radius is OP, passing through that point, is perpendicular to each other. Got it? So now look into this problem. This is a circle where center is O, BC is a tangent at point of tangency C, and this angle OD is the radius, angle COD or DOC, that is 100 degree. So that is what already given, DOC equals to 100 degree. Now you need to find out the value of angle B. What is the value of angle B? There are four options given: 50 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree and 70 degree. You need to find out any of these four. MCQ, right? So angle B कैसे निकलेगा? So first you need to see this tangent BC and this radius, they are perpendicular to each other. That already we have learned. इसका मतलब क्या है? OCB, this angle is 90 degree. So value of OC, that is 90 degree. This DOC or COD, that is 100 degree, already given. Now we look into this circle, arc of the circle CD. Arc CD, that is forming an angle at the center COD. And the same arc is forming angle at the circumference CAD. So as per the properties of circle, another theorem, the arc forms the angle at center which is double than the angle formed at any point of the circumference. That means COD is twice CAD. तो COD 100 डिग्री है, उसका मतलब CAD क्या होगा? Half of COD, that is 50 degree. So angle COD equals to twice of CAD. COD twice of CAD, that is equals to 100 degree. So angle CAD equals to 100 by 2, that is 50 degree. Okay, so CAD, this angle is 50 degree. So CAD 50 degree and ACB, that is 90 degree. So what will be the value of angle B? That is 180 degree minus summation of these two. So 180 minus 90 plus 50, that is equals to 40 degree. So angle ABC, that is equals to 40 degree. So this is the right answer. 40 degree is the right answer. So in this problem we have used two theorems. One is the circle properties. Arc creates the angle at the center which is double than any angle formed at the circumference by the same arc. That is one theorem. Another theorem is radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other at the point of tangency. So if you have liked this video, please click on the like button. And if you would like to have this kind notification of this kind of video again and again, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Debs Learning Hub and follow my Facebook page to Debs Learning Hub. Thank you very much.